Okay? So today is March, March 3 ata.
Ay, 5.
March 4 and this is our last finance na para sa research lab namin. And ito, naka-ready na sila. And ngayon, hopefully magawa namin to ng maayos and magawa namin ng maayos to. And sana wala naman bumagsak. Sana naman wala bumagsak. So good luck sa inyo. Good luck, good luck. Good luck. And ayun lang naman sa... And babalik kami. Babalik kami and after ng after ng research namin, ibukan ulit ako and papakita ko sa inyo, sasabihin namin sa inyo kung kamusta ang track namin. Yun lang. Ay, poster. Yun lang. So, kamusta naman yung research niyo?
Research title dependent.
Ha?
Research title dependent. Ano ba?
Kamusta naman yung research?
Okay, masaya. Pero
So, kamusta naman ang research mo? Good or very good?
very good.
Very good. So, kamusta naman ang research mo? Good or very good? Nice. Kamusta naman yung research mo?
Okay lang, pero hindi na-defend ako maayos.
Okay. So, kamusta naman yung research mo?
Okay naman, nasagot naman yung tanong kasi research dependent.
Okay. So, kamusta naman yung mga research nyo?
Ayos lang. Congrats nga kami. Congrats nga kami.
Okay?
Congrats nga.
Kamusta research mo? Good. Hey, Ethan, kamusta naman ang research mo?
Dali lang, tol.
Madali lang? Very good or very good?
Very
Very good,
good.
syempre, very good.
Good.
Very good. Nice one.